In this tutorial, we'll combine a non-fixed edge sail and a wall. The wall tool has been added to MPI to enable fixed or rope edge sails. There are some instances where we want to add a sail to a wall using wall brackets with a catenary and do not need a fixed or rope edge. Let's start with the basic four-sided sail design. We add 4 poles and escape to exit. And then a quad sail as normal, clockwise. Now we'll select these 2 poles, hold down the shift key and select more than one item. Then change the lean angle to 0 degrees and change the pole diameter to something less than the wall thickness that we have set as our default. I'll use 50 millimeters. Finally, we add a wall element over the top of the skinny poles, hiding them from view. The sail now appears to be connected to the wall, and as always we can rotate the model and make all of the usual changes to heights to suit the project requirements. Thank you for watching. For more examples and tutorials, please go to MPanel.com or search for MPanel on YouTube and subscribe to our video channel.